Now, one of President-elect Donald Trump's first decisions could be to change the wages of about 4.2 million employees. A new overtime pay law is about to go into effect, but we don't know if Trump is going to try to repeal it or change it. So, Attorney Jim Higgins is joining us this morning with more information. So, first of all, tell us about this overtime pay law change that's supposed to take effect.
Yeah, so this has been in work in a while. It's supposed to take effect December 1st. It's almost certainly going to take effect December 1st. But then nobody knows if Trump is going to change it, going to repeal it, going to keep it. And so what it says is that if you are what we call a white-collar employee, you're an administrator, you're a manager or an assistant manager.
Got it.
Right now, if you make over $23,000 or over about $24,000, you don't get overtime pay. Well, under the new law, if you've got to make over $47,000, and if you don't make that much as a salary, you should get overtime pay for every hour over 40 hours you work. So this could mean more pay for that's what it says, 4.2 million people. So employers, employees, and of course our office has a huge employment law section. We do a lot of overtime cases, a lot of overtime class action. So everybody's like, what's going on? And we don't know. We're not sure what he's going to do.
There's really no indication which way that this could go. And I know we've talked about this in the past. If you are a certain employee and you're making that much, that you cannot be given a title just so they can't pay you overtime. Isn't that right?
That's right.
Yeah.
And that's what historically most of our litigation has done. Somebody says, oh, you're a manager or you're an assistant manager, we don't have to pay you overtime, when they're really not.
Right.
So, but if this salary gets raised to $47,000, it would kind of take all of that out of 90% of the jobs. It would either, you got to pay your employee $47,000 or you got to pay them overtime for most everybody.
So now we're just wait and see.
We're waiting and see.
Okay.
I mean, you know, Trump never spoke about it directly. He knows that the Health Care Act and Obamacare is his first priority. I know he'll probably is going to deal with that. Everybody thinks this is also in his agenda, and even if he changes it, then we come to the question, well, how long will it take to change it? It could be 2 years before it phases back or they change a different amount. It's really a little bit of a mess right now.
So right now, the bottom line is don't sweat it because nothing's changing until December 1st, and then after that, we don't know.
Right. I think what you got to do is you got to assume that it's going to be the way it is. So if you're an employer, December 1st, you need to start tracking your employees' hours. Employees need to start keeping up with their hours because as of December 1st, it's the law. If you don't make $47,000, you get overtime.
Wow. Okay. Well, you can call Jim Higgins at the Higgins Firm. It's 1-800-705-2121. You can also go to thehigginsfirm.com if you need more information on that.